This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public Facebook page. First, navigate to the Facebook Pages section and click on Create New Page. You will then be prompted to choose a page type, such as business or brand or community or public figure. After selecting your type, pick a category that accurately describes your page. Finally, give your page a clear and concise name that reflects its identity. Next, it's time to add the essential details that make your page informative. Craft a short description that tells visitors what your page is about. Upload a high-quality profile picture, often a logo, and an eye-catching cover photo to represent your brand visually. Don't forget to add contact information, such as a phone number or email, so people can easily reach you. Now, let's customize and optimize your page for better visibility. Create a custom username, which will also form part of your page's unique URL, making it easier to share. Add a call to action button, like Send Message or Shop Now, to guide visitors. Finally, start building your audience by inviting your friends to like and follow your newly created public page. With your page set up, it's time to publish and engage. Share your first post, whether it's an announcement, photo, or video, to give visitors something to see. Configure your messaging settings to allow direct communication with your audience. Explore the various page roles and settings to manage your page effectively and ensure a smooth experience for both you and your followers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.